In this video, I'll show you how to connect Firebase to FlutterFlow. First, sign into your FlutterFlow account and open the project you want to connect. Then, click Settings and Integrations and open the Firebase section. Next, click Connect Firebase. If you haven't created a Firebase project yet, open the Firebase console, create a new project, and follow the setup steps. Then, return to FlutterFlow and select your Firebase project. After that, enable the Firebase services your app needs, such as authentication, cloud Firestore, or storage. FlutterFlow will guide you through the required configuration and help you connect each service. Now, complete the setup by confirming the connection and allowing FlutterFlow to configure your project. Once everything is connected, you'll be able to use Firebase features directly within your app. Finally, test your app by creating sample data or signing in with a test account to verify that the Firebase integration is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Firebase to FlutterFlow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.